Alrighty, guys, market open. Let's get this trade here. We want to get some buys right here in this zone. This is the final zone of support, 25,500. Okay, and if we can't hold here and go all the way back up, then once we break under 25,498, it's over, guys. So just know that. Okay, but we still have we're still bullish on the higher time frame. We still got a perfect pattern to go up. I'm just trying to get a little bit lower into this zone so we can catch a nice kind of bounce up, guys. Okay, but short term bearish, we broke under the trend line, and I want to catch this trade all the way back up to yeah. There we go. It's gonna power up here. It's looking like it. Okay. It is looking like we do want to get some sort of power up here. Okay. There we go, guys. Got it. Just deleveraging, getting a lower cost average is all right there. One more go lower, potentially, it's looking like, guys. So we'll see if we can get a buy. Get some buys. Oh, is it going to take off? It's trying to. I don't want to miss it. These things move fairly quickly when they start to blast here, guys. So, yep, there we get a little blast right here. There we go. Is this the blast? Could be. We have a lot of buyers right here, probably pushing it up. It's a pretty hardcore rejection right here. If we can't get past that, I'm out. I'm out. I don't like that. And then we're going to do this, this, and this, guys. All right. This is the last hope for a go. Patience, Elroy. Patience, Elroy. One more spike down and let's go. One more spike down, guys. One more spike down. Or not. Or just fire up. Interesting. Okay. It's looking like we want to go. Let's go. Go time. Go time. Boom. Let's go, guys. Now remember, if we can. Oh, I don't like that. Oh, I don't like that either. Yeah, I wanted a really fast kind of go up, guys. So I exited out of those other contracts I had. Just was not looking good. Yeah, that's not looking good either. Man, I got chopped up some. Don't tell me we're gonna go now. Yeah. All right, we're just gonna do it like this on this one, guys. There we go. Yeah, this could be accumulation right here, guys, for the blast off. Okay, so let's go. Let's go now. There we go. Blast off, guys. Blast off. Stop playing around, boy. Stop playing with me. There we go. Let's get back up there. Let's go. Now, guys, if we can't get above VWAP, you already know what time it is. You should already know what time it is. Okay. I'm just going to play this a little safer because it could reject here and come down into this zone. But we'll see how this thing is going to play out. But we are most likely going to get this bounce back up to VWAP or the 200 and trend line before we get our rejection here, guys. So just know that. Okay, so let's do. Come on. Come on. All right, we're going to exit that, guys. Get one right here. We know we're going to bounce up, okay? We know that. And that's where we're going to make back all our loss right there. It's just a matter of when. And this is the zone right here. Don't want to be over leveraged.
I'm just going to trade evals here for now, because I think this chop is too far. Until they resolve it, I'm trade evals here.
All right, this is looking good for the W.
50Ks are much easier to pass.
I do like how this is looking, guys. It's looking very tasty. I see the W forming. So, yeah, let's do it. Now we just wait. Guys. I see the W forming, guys. I see the W forming.
Great job, DJ. Discount.
Boom. Sniper. They call me the sniper. Now we got to keep flying up. We got to get past there. There we go. Beautiful. There's the W. There's the W. Glory to Jesus. Hallelujah. Don't stall. I don't stall. Don't stall. Don't trick me. Don't trick me, please. Now this trade can go all the way up for a long time now, guys. Once we get past VWAP and that trend line, we could trend up all day. This could be the bottom. Mock my words. So I'm going to leave a runner once we get past that trend line. For sure. Trend line is up here, guys, okay? Mm-hmm. Okay, guys, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay. Now this is starting to look delicious, 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 delicious. A lot of chop, though. I'm back. I'm back, Gordamir. I'm back, Gordamir. All right, guys, let's go. We're getting these little baby candles. We love them baby candles. We love them baby candles. Don't reject on VWAP. Don't reject. See if we can get a third a little bit lower. This is starting to look a little more bullish. The buyers are pushing it up, and I honestly think it's safe to say that we're gonna keep flying upwards, guys. I don't like that candle actually. That is a little scary. All right, let's let it ride here. Let's let it ride. That was a big red one right there, guys. That's a big redder.
All right, pass this one. Oh wait.
That was a rejection right there, guys. That was a rejection. Okay. And it didn't even get the VWAP. That's what kind of makes it a little scary. Okay. It did not even get the VWAP. So careful. Our last hope is 25, 499, 498 is our last hope to hold, to power up. If not, it's going down, guys, and that's all there is to it. Okay. Mm-hmm. This is a lot of chop. This is a lot of chop factor here. Can we get back up to break even? There we go. Come on. A little more power. A little more power. There we go. There we go. Get us back in the game here, guys. Should be the power up now. If it's going to, it needs the power. All right, I'm out. Let me still want to break even right there. Don't want to get too deep in the hole. There we go, guys. Now, we can't get past this 50 right here, this 40. Yeah, back down she goes. Back down she goes. Okay. Gotta break out of this little range and get above VWAP, guys, or it's not going to be good. Okay. We may come down into here if we don't do it. Looks like we're going to do it this time. Maybe. I don't know. Obviously, we're bullish on the higher time frame, so that's why I'm bullish. Okay. But also expect chop, because now since we're in chop mode, expect chop. Now if we can get above this blue line, we could power up to yellow and purple line. So, but if not, expect the chop. Back down she goes. Come on, I'm waiting for you down here. Or not. We'll put a tight stop right there if you change your mind. I know you're kind of indecisive, trying to figure out. Actually, probably just trying to fake everybody out. That's all. Market manipulation. They don't want you to catch this move up. You know, they like want to keep getting people stopped out. You know, what I don't want them to do is break under here and then go, you know, which could happen. I've seen it all. Well, not all, but I did see a pattern the other day that I never seen. And I'm like, whoa. I mean, it was similar, but it wasn't, you know, exact in that situation. And I'm like, oh, I'd never seen it do that before, actually. I mean, it did make that lower low, but just in a weird way before it powered up in this particular situation. So I'm like, man, I'm going to note that. But a lot of these patterns, when you are trading them, you'll start to see it over and over and over and over. Again, it's like a movie. You know, you watch the movie enough time, you start to recite the words and you know what happens next here. Okay, so I do predict that we go all the way up today and we make new highs and we keep grinding up because of Trump. Okay. And if we don't hold this level, then we get back down into here lower before we power up. Boom. There it is. There it is.
All right, 3 pass. 50Ks are so easy to pass compared to 300Ks. 300Ks are so hard to pass for me. Maybe because I'm not as good, but I have to resort to 50Ks because, see, just like this chop, I passed 3.
Come on, man. Come on, my man.
Thanks, Andres. You gotta set limit orders, guys. You're not fast enough, right? On a candle like this, it only counts. So you gotta set limit orders.
All right, it's starting to get more power, guys. I see the buyers coming in. They want to move this thing. Who's gonna win? Well, the sellers are in control right now, but the buyers are slowly fighting back hard on this one, guys. Okay. So don't stop me out again, sir, please. Jeez Louise, really? They're hunting stops, guys. They're hunting stops. Put it a little lower. They're hunting stops, guys. They're hunting stops. Yeah, I got out of one contract. I don't like how it's looking. I feel like it wants to come a little lower again before we power up. So let's see. No need to risk the biscuit. Excuse me. Sorry. Man, we really just like stalled out here. We had one move, broke the trend, and then now it's just like probably a lot of accumulation. A lot of buyers are accumulating right here to push this thing up. There we go, guys. There we go. Let's go. Come on. Patience, Elroy, patience. Patience, Elroy, patience, Elroy. 1, 2, 3, 4. And on the fifth one, we power up. And I'm counting these 1, 2, 3, 4. And then on the fifth, boom. There we go. Boom. There we go, guys. Let's go. Boom. Let's go. Fire up the turd nugget. Are we going to reject it VWAP and come all the way back down? Or are we going to power this turd up? I'm going to say power the turd upward. Let's go. Holding above trend line. Let's go. Don't want to go lower than that. Let's go. Really? Why is it slowing down? Like, go. Don't think about it. Be about it. Don't think about it. Be about it. Don't think about it. Be about it. Okay. Now we can fly to the sky. Let's go, guys. Fly like a birdie. We just jumped above VWAP. That is key, guys. That is key. You know, as long as we crack up above here like that, I'm feeling very good. We're definitely going to probably make it up here to yellow line. Okay. So let's do that. We can put a tight little stop right here just in case. Let's go, go, go. Fire, 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 fire. Let me exit. I'm going to exit. I'm going to get one right here just in case, guys. There we go. I'm liking that. I'm liking that. I'm liking that a lot.
I think they're gonna chop it around today.
There we go. I'm liking that candle, guys. I'm liking it a whole lot. There it is. There it is. There we go. Now we go. Now we blast, guys. Now we blast. Blast off. Blast off. Blast off. Don't do it to me. Blast off. Sheesh. I don't like that, guys. I don't like that one bit. Please hold right there. Don't go any lower. If we don't hold above this level, back down she goes. Gotta get above VWAP. Come on, you can do it. I know you can do it. I know you can do it. Yeah, let's go. You can do it. You can do it. You can Where price is back up above VWAP again. Let's go. Remember, if you're above middle price, we go up. The bulls winning above here. The bears winning below there. I mean, this is the kicker, guys. And usually when you're coming up like this, you're coming up, you go. Okay, so let's go. Let's go, guys. All the way up. 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 Boom, boom, boom. All the way up. Boom, boom, boom. All the way. Anyways, I'm just trying to keep the convo going because it can get stale in here when you're trading. All right, come on, let's go. Now it's time to blast up. We have a beautiful trend line coming. The only scary thing is this right here, guys. Look, boom. You know, we can come down into here before we keep. You know, we should fill this pretty quickly though. But when we could come and start bouncing on this trend line. So let's draw that trend line there. Boom, boom, boom. Let's just take profit on one and then let's get another on this right here. Boom. So as long as we hold true on this trend line here that we're making, okay, we should be, you know, good to keep going up here, guys. Okay, don't want to break this trend line. Don't want to break it. Now we could, I mean, obviously you could do something like this too. And that's why I have something like this going here too. Don't be a hero. Okay. Let's go, guys.
They're sending, I'm currently at 1 Pro Plus, they're sending a 4 more for me. So. I don't let you guys know when I'm going to Pro Plus on my personal account because I don't want you to compliment trades, right? I think red trades all the time. You saw it this morning, right? I did ask the accounts.
All the way up. Boom, boom. All the way up. Boom, boom. Let's go. We got the M in the middle. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. All the way up. Let's go, guys. Let's go. We got the M in the middle, guys. Look at that. All right. We got the M in the middle. W on the exterior. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. January 22nd. Let's go. Okay, guys. Let's go. It's pop. Time to pop. Snap, crackle, pop. I like to take profits around the 54 level. Okay.
Yeah, Marvin, that's fine. I'm like a very big proponent of staying in our own lane.
It could easily come up into here, but I have 4 contracts, so I'm just snipering these ones, guys. Sniper. Sniper. Okay. We got room to breathe here. One more little pop. One more little pop. One more little pop. One more little pop. Go. Pop or drop. Pop or drop. Go. 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 54. 25. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. 54. 54. You like 4. You like the 4s before you have a little rejection. You do like the 4s. Come on. And there's price moving on the Dom. It's getting there, slowly but surely. There we go. 54, 54, 54, 54, 54. Okie dokie. Yes, there it goes. All right. Usually it likes to have a little rejection around there. If not, that's fine. I'm going to see if I can get another buy on this trend line just in case we go lower. And I'm going to leave my runner. And that's it. We're leaving it. Okay, we're going back all the way to trend line up here. Even if we can get past that, then it's on, guys. Okay, but it may just be a slow grinder up. And hopefully we don't get down into here and then, power up. Because these are the 2 trend lines that I have mapped where we need to stay. If we drop here, then we could bounce here. If we drop here, shoot, man, we coming back down into here before it could maybe hold support. But most likely, if it don't hold here, most likely it's just going to keep dropping, guys. So, but we do have a nice trend line. And this is something where you can just let it ride all day, and slowly but surely, price is going to come all the way back up into here, all the way into here, 2,600, 25,940, 2,600, maybe higher at the end of the day. Okay, this is just one of those patterns right here. It's like a perfect, pullback, flat top, boom, you just keep riding all the way up. Okay, and you just, all the way up. All right, let's see what's going on the news today, guys. All right, we're doing some sort of rejection on the 200 here. On the 1 minute, it changes when you go to the 2 minutes, so don't let it scare you. 200's a little higher up here, so yeah, don't let it scare you. The trend, the lines change too, like on the 2 minute. So if you make the lines on the 1 minute, just know they're going to be correct on the 1 minute here. Okay. I do like the trade on the majority of the time on the 2 minute, 1 minute for entries. And we had the 1 minute down here looking for a good entry and reversal. We were able to find it at the purple level, which is good, which means we're more bullish. Typically in a bullish situation, when you do have your pullbacks, if you don't hold here at VWAP, typically you want to hold around here. Okay. Typically. Oh, don't get me. Oh, well, kind of got me there. So we did have a slight pullback at the 1 minute 200 EMA, but don't be nervous. It's still in really good trend line. It's just these candles are big, and they can really a little move like that, if you're over leveraged like I was, it could kind of wipe you out like that, guys. Take back some profits pretty quickly. Okay, so let's see here. We don't want to hang below VWAP too long, guys. We want to get back up above VWAP fairly quickly. Let's get back to the 1 minute, see what this thing is looking like. Okay. So, yeah, that's what we wanted to happen there. And the minute we get back above this trend line, then, well, it looks like I'll want to add another con. And this just may be a slow grinder up, guys. Here we go. Come on. Fire it up. Fire it in the hole. Here we go. Nevertheless, we're in a slow grinder right now, but I do feel like a big move is coming, quickly to the upside. So this may be it. Once we pass over the 200 EMA on the 1 minute, we can get that boost that we went up to trend line. So up to next take profit area of resistance. Okay. Patience is key, and knowing your levels. Patience and knowing your levels here, guys, is key to success. Let's go. Let's just power it up all the way up there. 677, next stop, guys. Ooh, 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 ooh. This could be a good ad area here for my con here. Right there. Okay. We're gonna let that one ride. Boom. Hopefully we don't get stopped out right here, guys. I'm gonna put this at 599.97 just in case it does want to stop us there. Yep, it did. It did. Come a little lower then. All right, guys, so look, it came a little lower, which out of this range, it didn't want to hold tightly. So keep that in mind for future. You know, it may want to continue doing when it does those little pullbacks. It may want to continue doing that sort of thing here in the future. You know, we got to get above VWAP though, and it's struggling. So, gotta get above VWAP, guys. Gotta get above VWAP. See if I can get out of a contract here, break even. I just don't like how that's looking. So, it's better to be safe than sorry. Let's see if this one hit. Almost. So, let's see what happened. So, we couldn't hold, at least right now, the VWAP. We got underneath our EMAs. We're still on this trend though. So as long as we don't go lower than here, the zone, you know, we should be good for the power up now. If not, we come lower. Okay, back into this area. Potentially. You know, anywhere between, you know, here and here and down to here. Potentially. Before you can hold support. Okay, but just know it would be sells until you're looking for support. guys. That was a nice bounce on the trend line, actually. I do like that. Let's see if we can get it a little higher. Get back above. There we go. And now we want to fly off the shelf, guys. Boom. That trend line was drawn perfectly. If it holds right here, then yeah, it was drawn perfectly. It did have a nice little bounce there. Come on, keep it going. That's not good, guys. I don't like the looks of that. Ay, chihuahua. I'm about to just cut everything real quick if we break under here, guys. It's not good. Yeah, I don't like that. I'm out of one. I don't like the looks of that. Just don't like it, guys. I'd rather be safe than sorry. Okay, that's looking like power. More power, more power, more power, more power. There we go. Now we're back in business. Woo, that was close. That was close, guys. That was extremely close. Now, if we reject right here on the second time, we can't blow past. We're coming down. Just know that, okay? Know that. I mean, we could have flushed right here if we didn't hold this trend line, guys. Okay, we could have flushed. However, we didn't. We got back up above VWAP, back up above the EMAs, and we're rolling again. Okay, but the next zone of complication is this area 63, and yeah, you have it, bucko. Varney and Company. He's my best friend. Shoot up, all the big techs were going high, flying high, guys. Keep it moving. And if you think about it in the bigger picture, look, we bottomed out yesterday, it looks like short-term bottom. All the buyers came back in the market, all the algos. So, I mean, based off all those buys yesterday, I mean, the big guys, they can't be selling out already. They need all those buys are gonna hold for now and just slowly grind this thing up. Slow grind. So got to kind of think of it like that, in the bigger picture. Like everyone bought in. Now it's a slow grind up now. You may get, tiny little baby pullbacks on the higher time frame, but all in all, you're going up, especially as long as we're above right here. Look, we're going up. Okay. Even if we get below there, we can go down for a little bit, but then still hit another support and still go up since we're on, the higher time frame. It's back in, bullish market, guys. So just keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. All right, come on. I know you want to fire up. Oh my Lord, why? Why such the... Go. Sheesh Louise, guys. Go, 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 go. Oh, man, this is slow, guys. This is slow. This is, like, really, like, treacherous slow. Just freaking go already. Golly. More fire, more fire, more fire, more fire. Mm. There we go. Golly. Just keep going. There we go, guys. There it is. Beautiful. Back to the markets, back to the markets, back to the markets. Oh, I don't like that. That was tough right there, guys. Okay. We're going to exit out. Yeah, we definitely got like this miserable slow grind, but I really feel like the pop is coming, guys, soon. Okay. I really feel like the pop is coming soon, guys. The pop. It's just taking its time, but when it happens, it's going to happen quickly. I think we're almost there getting it, guys. We're almost to this pop situation here. This is a extremely dreadful kind of market movement, but you just got to be patient and deal with it. There we go. And I'm just getting in and out of contracts, guys, just for sniper trades. But I'm constantly holding one long at least. So yeah, if we get above here, then most likely we'll get up into here pretty quickly, guys. So just keep that in mind, okay? Keep that in mind. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Just go. I don't like that. I'll get another one back lower here, guys. Just don't like that. Boom! That's what we like to see, guys. We ain't playing. We ain't playing no more. Go. Oh, my thing is glitching. I am glitching right now, guys. That is not good. The speed on my internet is starting to glitch. Aroni. Okay, do we reject here, guys? Do we reject here? Key moment. If we reject, we come down. If we don't, we go up. I think we go up. I think we don't reject. It looks like there's the power right there. Boom. I like that power candle. And it looks like we will have a continuation here. Tight stops, tight stops. Tight stops. I'm glitching again, guys. All right, here we go. Oh my gosh, I don't like how I'm just glitching on price. I need to see what's going on. There we go. Fire it up. Fire it up. Almost. Alright. It looks like we're about to do it right now, guys. The buyers are pumping it. There it is. Come on. Go. 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 You can do it. Oh, don't reject right there. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. There we go. Yeah, I just don't understand the hesitation. I just don't understand it. Boom, there we go. Go. There we go, guys. Fly to the sky. Fly to the sky. There we go, guys. Let's go. Definitely in fly mode. It should rip up here fairly quickly. There has been a lot of hesitation this morning for some reason. There we go. But go, 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 go. Alrighty. Let's see what my guy FSP is saying. I'm gonna play some tunes, get the vibe going here, guys. For the blast off. Oh, I love this song. I don't like that candle though, so I'm gonna exit. I don't like that candle. And that's why I don't like that candle. Look at it. It's vicious. Man, I don't like that rejection right there, guys. I'm gonna exit the contract there. See if I can get one down on the trend line. It is a pretty hard rejection right there, guys. I don't like it. But we are holding the 21 in this trend line still. My song. Let's go. Boom. Boom. Let's go. Man, a lot of hesitation, guys. A lot of hesitation. Extreme amount of hesitation here today. There's an extreme amount of hesitation here today. Dun, 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 dun. Go. More power. More power. More power. Don't like these subtle rejection. Here we go. More power, guys. More power. More power. Let's go. Fire it up. Fire it up, Buttercup. I don't like that candle. I see you. Put a tight stop right there. Let's go. All right, all right. It's on now, guys. It's on. Typically, we like to get into this area before we have maybe a little pullback to halfway or the 200 if it does. If not, it will just keep flying. But based off movement today, I'm expecting a slight pullback into here first. So we shall see, guys. However, we should fill this area pretty quickly right here. Once we get past here, okay, we should skyrocket pretty quick at that point in time. I want to deleverage a little bit just in case. I want to give a big red FU candle. Yeah, that's looking red. That's looking red right there, guys. Come a little lower. There we go. I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that. Go. More power. More power. More power. Let's go. Let's go. More fast. More fast. More fast. More faster than you. I'm more faster than you. Yes, you got to think fast. You got to be quick. You got to look for the moves, guys. You got to act with no hesitation. You know, let's go. Let's go. 3 in, 3 out. 3 in, 3 out. It's slowing down. It's slowing down. Let's take profit here, guys. A little higher. And maybe get some more buys back around here. Don't do that right now. We got to go a little higher first. She Louise. You need to listen. You need to listen. You don't want to risk the biscuit. We've already made some good rev right now, so there's no point in, risking the biscuit here, guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on. I don't like that. I don't like that. Let's go, guys. All right, I'm gonna start a new video. I feel like this one has run a little long here, so let's get going. Adios, amigo. Well, no, let's just keep it running. Whatever. Bro, power. I like these small candles, baby candles, I call them. They move. Okay. These baby candles like to move. So let's go. Once we can get past this 700 zone, man, where it's on, we'll fly up to 720, 730 pretty quickly. 750 to see if we can get past that trend line to keep it going higher, guys. So keep that in mind. Let me give that some room to breathe. Add another bar right there. Okay, get this right here. All right. So actually this trend line, I guess you could do something like this and pull it up. Okay. I know that's kind of weird, but if we go up around this point, could be, the rejection area. Could be. But overall, we're trending up. We're blasting up. So I've seen patterns go here and here and then come all the way down, get more power, and then boom. Oh, man. Oh, no, baby. No pressure, my guy. More power. Let's go. We're back in action, gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see what my guy FSP's doing. But yeah, guys, we would not want to break under, this trend line. Because if we do, then, back down into here, we grab support, guys. So just so you know, that would be the situation. Okay. So just know that. Don't want to do that. And I would say like right here is like stop point. I'm just going to exit out of that. I don't like it. If you don't like it, you don't got to do it. Well,
And then number two, how does the trailing drawdown? Let's say $4,500 in balance or an initial drawdown, and I make $2,000. So then, what would my drawdown be 6,500 then for that thing? And once I draw, I go like 4,500.
4500. Coke for the 5. Yeah, we just got this slow grind, guys. We're stuck in between. Every time we get in between middle VWAP, yellow, and this purple, okay, here on this side of things, or even on this side of things, always experience some chop. Okay, but the minute we break out of that, okay, and we can hold above, purple, then we can start to fly up here, guys. Okay.
Let me go look up Pro Plus Roll. Take arbitrator. I was gonna think, you know what, some of you guys know this. I was gonna ask them. No, I gotta look it up.
You know, if you notice, we're pulling back and we're staying in all these lines when we pull back. So that's a good thing, okay? We come to the very bottom of this red one. Okay, and we start to hold.
I appreciate you guys contributing now, but I do have to do my due diligence because
all right, get that last contract right there. We really want to hold right there, guys, if we can.
The balance is always going to be 10K. They remove any profit from 10K. That's for fair. So that's not
I do love trading. Something I'm very passionate about. I just love the idea of competing against the best in the world on, trade ideas and, being able to recognize patterns, and if you're good at it, make a lot of money. Always practicing risk management is key. Obviously, with a bigger margin, it's a lot easier, to make a lot of more money, but also lose if you're not, trading correctly. But I think it's a lot easier because then you can let your trades really kind of pull back and have space to develop and move. Excuse me. When you're building up a portfolio, you have to really trade with precision and a little more tighter. And so that can, deter a lot of people away. And that's why most people end up quitting, because they never are able to overcome that learning curve. But when you do, it's worth it, because this will change your life forever. Man, it's getting a little late, 10:38. I've been noticing lately we've been having big moves during lunchtime. Typically you don't, but every once in a while you do get some big moves between 11 and 12 o'clock, but usually that's like chop time. But when you're trading and we've been chopping like this for so long, then like, oh shoot, 11 or 12, you're going to get blast off, because this has actually been the chop time. So it kind of reverses it, if that makes sense. The market is, always doing some sort of pattern. So whether it's a chop pattern, or whether it's an actual pattern, or whether it's, how it's been, the charts have been moving, the speed, it always seems to keep that pattern going. So keep that in mind when you're trading. Oh, excuse me. Now, what we don't want to happen is we don't want to break this trend line here and come down into here and then go up. Because then, if it does that, it could be more of a range day and not a breakout day. So if we don't get above here soon, It may do that, guys. I mean, we need to hurry up and bounce out of here and complete this go around, because if not, and you know what I noticed? Look, it's doing the same thing here too. Like it did that a little bit ago right here. It was doing this, and then boom, powered up. Okay, so this is, I feel like we're in this stage right here again. Okay. There we go. Go. Fake out. Don't be a hero. Don't be a hero. There we go, guys. Boom. Finally. Finally, guys. Chihuahua. I have $1 million worth of payouts. Mm-hmm. 94. We want 94, guys. Right here, guys. Last time he spoke, he was at 180K. Michael Shea. Let's find a good song again. Where's our song? Let me go back to this song. I like this song. We want to make it up above that upper middle VWAP purple line. We got to do it. Come on. Is it? Man, this is such the barrier right here. But once we can hold above it, guys, off to the next zone up top, 730, 750. Okay. Come on, I know you got it in ya. I'm gonna give you a wallop. Let's go. That's it. That's the green we want. Green supreme, guys. Green is supreme. Can't wait to go work out today. Thank you, Jesus. Bless your name. Hallelujah. Glory to God. With Christ, all things are possible. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Lord, we want to thank you, praise you. We appreciate you for the day, the opportunity to trade. And most people don't. Most people are locked in, don't have time. You know, all that distraction that they have. And I just want to say thank you. I appreciate you. Allow me the time and opportunity over the years to learn this craft and skill. I really enjoy doing it. I appreciate it. I want to teach people doing it. Want to help beginners, build wealth. When AI comes, if you don't come before then, um, they're going to need something to do, to learn how to make money. And this is a great way to do it if you learn the proper way in risk management and not to be greedy. And mastering the market is mastering yourself, mastering self-control, mastering patience, mastering pattern recognition. Really, trading is a version of you. Like, I really believe that. Like, trading will tell you all about who you are, what type of person you are, how you, if you remain calm under pressure, if you're confident in your skill, if you're consistent in your trading ideas and trading setups. Okay, a lot of this stuff I hear people say is mechanical, and that's kind of what I think. For me, I want to be more mechanical about trading, and that's why I think people do really good is when they just trade. There's certain setups, there's certain ideas, and if they don't work, then wait for something, that a setup or an area that you want to enter your trade in. You don't want to chase price. You don't want to like right now. I don't want to say, okay, we're going to go all the way up here. I think we are, but guess what? The minute we start breaking under here, okay, trend line, then that whole idea changes for me. I start to flip. I'm not going to still think we're coming up here. Maybe, at this point in time, we'll have to build support around here, most likely here, okay, before you go up. And those are things you just need to look for and manage. And if you're sniping trades, then you can snipe little areas if you like, but just be quick about it. Be in and out 5, 7, 10, 12 points, and that's it. So we are getting kind of weak here, guys. So what's happening is, like, we're getting above, fall, got above again, it's like falling. Okay, so keep that in mind too. We don't want to be falling here when we get above. We want to keep going. Okay, we need green candles like that to keep pushing us upward. There we go. This should be a nice pop here if we can get this pop going, guys. Okay, we may hesitate. This area is the last hesitation right here. I like it in between these two candles, these two wicks. But once we can pass this, I mean, off to the races, man. So this is our last area right here. I put it right here in between these two wicks. Okay, could reject between these two wicks, but I like these two. And then just based off how the chart's been moving. Okay, I am in 3 contracts, so I mean that's more than enough, and you kind of want to play them tight here. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. And then, like I said, if we can blow past through here, we can get up into these areas fairly quickly. If it's a matter of if. Okay, so look, we're holding. We got one candle close on the 1 minute above that finally. Oh, we had one here, but we got a green one, so that's a good. Okay, that's beautiful. That's what we want to see. Candle closing on the 1 minute above. If you get a 5-minute candle or a 3-minute candle is even better. Let's go to our 3-minute. Oh, this will be our 3-minute candle close. This one, if we can get it above this line, and it's a go. It's a real go, but we got it on the 1 minute already, so that could be early entry. early entry, guys. Yeah, we're early to the party. Sometimes being early is not good, though. Being early can be the same thing as being wrong. Okay, so um, you want to just be on time, guys. If you're early, manage your trade. And that's it. That's it. Come on. We did have a 3-minute close, I believe. So that's looking pretty solid there. Nah, we didn't quite fully close 3 minute. It was a little under here. This could be the 3-minute close candle. It's getting there though. It's building up the reps. But you know what? Watch. I bet you guys we're gonna get some big moves during lunchtime now because we haven't done anything all this time when we should have been moving actively. So I just want to say that the big move is coming. It is coming. It's building. Okay, we just broke above here. We're holding, it looks like. And as long as we hold this trend line and hold above purple line, we will get up into here, guys, if not higher. Now we're in the zone to where we can start to trend up. Okay, now we're in that zone. We just have to, get past 700. That's the goal here. 25,700 right here, guys. Okay. So keep that in mind. Always before you get to like a new hundreds, like the 700, 800, 900, you can always get some good resistance right around there, guys. So, all right, we got that contract sold. So now here's the kicker. Do we keep flying? Looks like it. That looks like a strong candle. Got past there pretty quick. We're going to add another contract then. Got out of it. Didn't like that rejection there. Don't like that rejection. There we go. There we go. Let's keep it going. All right, guys. I'm going to put a tight stop on that one. And we're going to keep this going. Into here. Into here. Into here. 712. 711, 712. You always get a little bit of hesitation around that zone too. Okay, and then from after 712, then you shoot up to 720-ish pretty quickly, 730. And in this case, 730, 750. Okay, I think the Zoom is coming. The Zoom is finally here. Go. Man, what a choppy, slow grind up here, guys. Terrible. But at least it's going in our direction, so I can't complain. Getting closer. Wanting to break that trend line there, guys. All right, there's some volatility coming into the market. You can tell by the way these candles are starting to move. Volatility doesn't look like it's coming into our favor here, guys. But as long as we keep above these trend lines, that could change here. Oh, that hurt. Oh, I didn't get stopped out yet. Oh, that hurt. That hurt, guys. That hurt right there. I wish I was a little more quicker to react. All right, I'm out. I don't like it. That was a pretty hardcore flush there, guys. Okay. Well, that's what you do in that situation. Just get out, and wait till we get back up above this trend line to enter here. And we're going to go. What you don't want is a rejection here and then starts coming all the way back down into here, guys. Okay, so yeah, that's what we were talking about right there. Okay, we're gonna exit out of that. We'll let this one have a little more room to breathe right there, guys. Over here. Alright, this is a good bounce area right here, guys. So if it's gonna bounce, we're gonna bounce it right here. If not, we will keep flushing out here, guys. So we get a hard rejection on trend line, guys. It's coming down lower. It's over. So keep that in mind. Okay. Sometimes it likes to play patty cake and blast off. Now, keep in mind, okay, we broke under the 50 EMA, the red line, on the 1 minute, just a little bit. And in this situation, breaking underneath it a little bit right here is fine, as long as you get back above it. We get back above it like we did. I mean, that's a good situation right there, guys, for it to keep, plowing upwards. But this price needs to come here. We can't have this stoppage. So keep that in mind. Yeah, I need to do that. Exactly. And if it doesn't complete going up, then get out. All right, I sold one right there because it was hesitating. And I'm going to try one more right here, guys. Okay. But what we want to notice here is that we broke back underneath here, which ain't good. So look, we got above, break. We got above, break. So this is going to be the third time. If we can't get above, or if we break again, or if we can't get above right now, it's over. Okay, so know that. Okay, third time's a charm. The market works in, 1, 3s, 5, 7, 9s, 12s. Okay, those are magic numbers. Okay, I'm back in, guys. I'm back in. This is the pump. This is where we need to pump now in this particular situation. If not, we dump. Pump or dump. That's where we're at. Pump or dump. All right, I'm out of that one. I don't like that. Oof, this is looking dumpy, guys. It's the last hope. It's looking dumpy. This is looking super dump. This is close. It's looking dumpy, man. Because I don't want to get stopped out. Because at the same time, it can keep flying up here. Here we go. There we go. Come on. More fire, more fire, more fire, more fire. Real quick. There we go. There we go. Come on, quick. With the quickness. We got to break through all these lines, these EMAs. If we don't, it's over, guys. Keep that in mind. Okay? Keep that in mind. Deleverage right there. Leave a runner on that one. Boom. Let's go. I like that, guys. This could be the rejection right here, though. Hopefully not. Boom, shakalaka. More fire, more fire, more fire. There we go. I like that candle. That's a power-up candle right there, guys. I like that one. You know, you start to recognize these candles, man. But this one with no wick right here, I like it. It could go. I've seen these candles just real quick. But this hesitation is never good. However, the market's been hesitating all morning, so it's to be expected at this point in time, gentlemen. If you do want to put a tight stop right there is a good one. I mean, any lower than here for this particular setup is not good because then it could come back down into here, whatever. Patience. Worst case, it comes right here and then. But see these little babies? There we go. Boom. Boom. I like that. Let's play the song. A good song, guys. Let's go. More fire. I didn't want it to do that. Here's the fire up, guys. I don't like that candle. I'm out on that con. I don't know if y'all guys noticed, but how that candle flipped under, I didn't like that. I ain't like that. It's playing. Let's slow move. Where's the big move at? I mean, this is a key area. We can't get back above purple. We can't hold above purple line. Where do we go? Downtown. So keep that in mind, guys. There it is. Finally. Boom! Let's go. I've been a good boy. Come on. Let's go. Get above trend line. Yes, sir. Let's go. Keep it going. Get up. Get up. Get up. Oh, shoot him out. I don't like that. I don't like that. It was scary. What was it doing? We don't like that, guys. I did not like that. It scared me. Hold above purple. Hold above. Deleverage. Deleverage. Man, based on this pattern, guys, we may want to get down into here one more time before we blast up here. It's just looking like that. Okay. I wish we could angle the market. Like if I could change the chart screen to a, maybe tilt it to the left like 20 degrees or something. Because if you look, like everything's kind of, I feel like that would help me trade better. If I could tilt it to the left, yeah, 20 degrees, I think. Yeah, 20 would be good. Oh, and this pattern right here, typically, I see it come here before it goes up. Could it blast off right here? It could. But typically, like in this situation, it'll go boom and then go back up here. So let's see. I mean, we did kind of do all this already, so I have seen that situation. There we go. Now we're just gonna go. Let's go. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep. It's stalling. It's stalling. It's hesitating, guys. Come on. Go. Power me up. See the swing right here? It's trying to get this swing up here. Let's do it. Let's keep it. Let's keep it going. I mean, typically, as long as we stay above there, we're good for this second contract, honestly. It shouldn't get lower than here. Right? You want to play safe right there, guys. And give it a little tinge more, but however, I'm gonna exit. I don't like it. Oh, guys, what are we doing here? It can't get above the VWAP. It's trying to. It's accumulating. I mean, this could be the accumulation before the big move. Or actually, it is the accumulation before the big move. So, who's accumulating more? The bulls or the bears? Well, let's think about that. 1, higher time frame, bullish. 2, lower time frame, bullish. 3, bullish. 4, bullish. 5, bullish. Everything bullish, unless we get under VWAP, which we're not bullish. So yeah, bullish. Can we go this time, please? Go. I do like how we've been bouncing on the 50 a lot and we've been holding here. I do like that, guys. So we just got to keep it going right here, guys. Got to keep it going right there. Come on. More fire, more fire, more fire, more fire. Don't do that. Don't do that. More fire, more fire, more fire. Finally do something, please. Go. Go. I release you into the wild. Nope. And once again, And once again, guys, and once again. And once again, it does it again. There we go. That time, hold right there. Hold on purple and go up. That would be good. It's showing some improvement there. Instead of going to red, we're holding purple and gray. That's always a good improvement. Those are called higher lows on the micro. Well, never mind. Yeah, this is really boring, guys. Like, I don't think anyone's watching this, but if anyone is and you're still here, shoot me a text message, 214-236-6767. I'm gonna give you $100. Yeah. For the first two people to do that, there ain't no way. This is too long. Shoot. Man, look at the hesitation, guys. Look at the hesitation on this here. What up? I'm on vacation every single day because I love my occupation. I'm on vacation. If you don't like your life, then yeah, we're going to catch it down here. It is going to do this thing here. Or at least for now. Yeah. It did it. Okay, so it did do what I was thinking. Now we gotta hold. Daily. Never leave. Gonna be me. TV. I do see this little maybe could develop here, guys, so keep that in mind. I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Illuminate my future bright, so thankful for everything. Rejuvenate the rocket ladders, I feel all I need. Bumping arms, embracing life and on the which you gave me. Hard work, it pays off. I'm happy now, it's paying me. Close my eyes, sometimes it feel as if I'm blown away. I love the life I live, enjoy the ride along the way. I'll make a living out of living, yeah, that's what I say. I got a lot to live, and I would live no other way. I'm on vacation. Every single day, cause I love my occupation. I'm on vacation. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Van Gogh, my earlobe, I can't hear, I'm here though. I may be a weirdo, but this is my year, yo. My life may be crazy, my lack of the lazy has let me do shit that I love on the daily. So basically, if you're watching now, you're just really trying to learn, how this works. And if you do green lines first, you make money going up. If you do red lines first, then you make money going down. We're in green lines buys to make money going up. Okay. That's the situation here, guys. This is the price. And this is where I get out of my contracts, where I take profit. Anything above this line here when I'm in buys is profit. Anything below is negative. That's a negative. Yeah, we've been jigging around here, guys. We've been jigging. Yeah. Eat your Walla Walla, baby. All right, I'm back in, guys. I'm back in. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay. There we go. There we go. Mm-hmm. Wait a minute. Okay. Oh my gosh, I want to go to the gym. This is my gym time. We got to get going, guys. We're almost there. Come on. There we go. Are we busting out? Busting out. This is the rejection zone, guys. If it's going to reject right here. If not, we go higher. All right, looks like we're going higher finally. Go, let's go. No. Ah, my. Just go. Flip green. Yeah, I don't know, guys. Yeah, I don't know. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like this rejection right here. There we go. Go. Yeah. This looks like we're going down, guys. Yeah. One more down. I want to get buys around here and then write it up. Unless we can get above this level right here, 79. Yeah, I'm out. It should have powered up right here, guys. Like whoosh, that this time right here. Instead it rejected. Now look, boom, down. There's more range. Mm. 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 Yeah, I don't like that. If you're in a cell, obviously it's not good. Is it popping now? Really? Are we gonna do that? Sheesh. Son of a gun. Let's go. Come on. Finally. Oh my gosh. It's like to the point of like about to dump a little bit here. Finally going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going, guys. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Complete the W. We need to complete the W, guys. It's looking like a good completion of the W. Okay, so let's do it. Let's write it. Let's write it to the top here, guys. Let's go. We're ready to blast off finally. Go. All right, we got above our purple line, which is good for the third time. Actually, 1, 2, 3, fourth time. So I think we're primed and ready to go finally. Really? Whoa, really? Jesus. Oh my gosh, that was intense. What a fake out. I'm gonna deleverage. That was scary. Man, so much hesitation in the market. There we go. Golly. All right, let's go. I don't know what to expect. This thing's just jigging around here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Finally. Jeez. He's alive. Here's the move, guys. There's the move. Did I get stopped out on this one? Shit, I hope not. No. Huh? More fire, more fire. Blow it up right now. Blow it up right now. Go on to the moon right now, boy. Boom a clap, boy. Man, I'll ride with you, boy. You're riding right now. That's my song. Let's go. Hallelujah, Jesus. Glory to God. Glory to the Most High. Thank you, Jesus, for this opportunity to trade. Thank you, Lord Jesus. And another opportunity to give praise to God Almighty, the Most High. In Jesus' name. Mm, 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 mm. Blowing up right now. Blowing up right now. Blow. Man, I want to blow up right now. More higher. You did get some hesitation around the 12 area. Sometimes, but I feel like the accumulation was so much right there that it should just fire up. However, it's been a little tricky today. More fire, boom, boom, boom. Excuse me. Mm, 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 mm. Come on, 6K, here we come. Let's go. Boom, boom, boom. This is a bull flag right here. It's creating, guys. More fire, boom, boom, boom. Hey, stop. Just fire this turd. More fire, more fire. Boom, boom, boom. Don't let this be the pullback, bro. Don't do it to me. Just get to more fire in there. More fire. More boom, boom, boom. One more boom, boom, boom. One more boom, boom, boom. Oh, don't do it to me, bro. Why? Like, what's the point? That's so lame. So lame right there. So lame right there, boy. You know, it's a high probability we just turn this thing around 720, come all the way back down, get buyers, and then blow it up, honestly. It's looking like we could do that, guys. It is definitely looking like that. And if this thing just don't take off and start running, like, for sure, that could be the situation. Come all the way up here, come all the way back down to lower middle VWAP, and then get more buyers and power it up. And then, maybe, make newer highs at the end of the day. The way it's looking, that is definitely something to think about. Yeah, I don't like that, guys. I just don't like that one bit. That's nasty. I feel like you got one more go in it, though, at least. One more go, one more gizzo. I mean, at least hit 712. At least. Sheesh Louise. Just in case. Just in case. Just in case. Son of a monkey, boy. What a ridiculous, hesitant move here. Like, what are they doing? Like, it's ridiculous, bro. These guys are so lame. Like, so lame. These guys are so lame. But as long as they're in my zone, I don't care. We're still in the zone, guys. We're still in this zone right here. So I don't care. There we go. Finally. Blow her up. There we go. Come on. 11:40. Like, golly. This is primetime chop time, but looks like we're going to get a move finally. And this is maybe the last of the move before we dump, guys. So I just feel like the dump is coming. So let me take my profit right here. Let's see here, guys. Yeah, it definitely looks like the dump is coming. You know, I don't trust this thing, guys. I feel like a pullback is on its way. You know, yeah, I'm out. Just don't trust it, guys. Like, I feel like if it's gonna pull back, it's gonna pull back right now. Like, even though we're above this zone right here,